Is the Edelweiss Life Wealth Premier Plan truly a premier choice for long-term ULIP wealth creation or just another ULIP with average performance? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is an unit-linked, non-participating, individual single premium savings life insurance product. So some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with life cover which offers financial security to your family in the event of an untimely demise, and it also allows you to choose between single life and joint life coverage based on your financial need. It provides life insurance coverage for 10 years through a one-time premium payment method, and it enhances savings by offering additional allocations through loyalty additions at the end of the 6th, 8th and 10th policy years, and it enables investment across a selection of 9 funds with the flexibility of unlimited fund switches. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit and loyalty additions. So the unit link policy, there are also certain charges that will be deducted from your premium like fund management charges and surrender or discontinuance charges and mortality charges. So these charges represent an additional cost burden for investors. As several of them are levied throughout the policy tenure, they steadily dilute returns over time, thereby reducing the overall profitability of the investment. So these are all some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind, and also some of the advantages are: there are unlimited free fund switches which provide flexibility to rebalance investment across funds, and partial withdrawals are permitted without charges from the 6th policy year onwards. The one-time premium structure ensures a simple and hassle-free investment experience, and loyalty additions contribute to an enhancement of the overall fund value. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like the plan does not offer a policy loan facility, and access to funds is restricted during the initial 5 policy years. The sum assured is inadequate to address a family's essential financial requirement, and the policy is limited to a single premium payment with a fixed 10-year policy term, offering no flexibility to modify the structure based on individual convenience. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. And if you want to know more about the policy details in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So here, for example purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has purchased this policy with a policy term of 10 years and invest a single premium of 10 lakh. The sum assured is 1 crore, which is 10 times the single premium. At maturity, this policy holder receives a fund value which depends on the assumed rate of return given in the policy brochure's benefit illustration. So the illustrated returns of 4 and 8% are just for purely example purpose. They are not guaranteed, and they do not represent the upper or lower limits of returns under the policy. This is just to show you how this policy can perform at a worst and best case scenario. For an example, under the 4% return assumption, the maturity fund value is 12.70 lakh, translating to an IRR of 2.43% as per the policy's maturity calculator. This reflects negligible wealth creation as the returns barely keep pace with inflation. Under the 8% return assumption, the fund value increases to 18.78 lakh, resulting in an IRR of 6.51% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So even at this higher assumed rate, the outcome falls short of returns typically offered by conventional debt instruments. The IRR analysis clearly indicates that the policy fails to generate meaningful real returns, which can significantly impede long-term wealth creation. For investors seeking to deploy a lump sum, there are more efficient alternatives available that offer higher return potential along with greater flexibility. Now that we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to take an alternative approach. Instead of combining insurance and investment under a single product like how Edelweiss does, we are going to separately invest in both these components to see whether that can give us better efficient returns returns compared to the Edelweiss policy. So here we are going to take a similar or same assumptions from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. For life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy providing 1 crore coverage for a 10-year term, which can be purchased with a single premium of approximately 1.01 lakh. So this leaves us with 8.98 lakh available for investment. So based on the investor's risk appetite, this surplus can be allocated to either debt or equity instruments. For this analysis, an equity mutual fund has been considered. So under this approach, the pre-tax maturity value of the investment is 27.91 lakh, while the post-tax value after accounting for capital gains tax stands at 25.70 lakh. The combined strategy of term insurance and equity mutual fund investment delivers an IRR of 9.90%. This comparison clearly highlights the advantage of separating insurance and investment. While the Edelweiss policy confines investors to relatively low returns and limited liquidity, a combination of a pure term policy and an equity mutual fund offers significantly higher returns along with greater flexibility. And if you have any doubt regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your reference, which you can easily pause and watch. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Life Wealth Premier Plan worth it or not? So this policy may appear to be a convenient and hassle-free option for investors looking to park surplus funds. It is positioned as a market-linked investment product. However, high charges and an inadequate sum assured significantly reduce its overall appeal. Moreover, the returns delivered by the plan are unimpressive and it also has a high agent commission. The plan fails to adequately address long-term family protection and financial objectives, nor does it meaningfully support wealth creation. Single premium ULIPs such as this are generally inefficient vehicles for building wealth despite being branded as wealth premier. For protection needs, a pure term life insurance policy remains the most effective solution. It is cost efficient, flexible, and capable of providing adequate coverage. On the investment front, investors are better served by constructing a diversified portfolio across appropriate asset classes rather than committing funds to insurance-linked investment products. By selecting suitable investment avenue and preferably with the guidance of a trusted financial advisor, you can pursue your long-term goals with greater clarity, confidence, and efficiency.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.